Hi everyone, it's Paula Gilmore with the Kuntz team at Coldwell Banker King Thompson. I'm at our listing at 2464 Canterbury Road and I can't wait to show you around. The home features 5 bedrooms, 3.5 baths, and over 4,800 square feet of living space. The home had a complete transformation in 2002, including the addition of a full second floor. It was executed with the finest appointments and finishes throughout. You will love the convenience of having a first floor master bedroom, including a spa-like bathroom and walk-in closet. Upstairs, you'll find 4 additional bedrooms, 2 full baths, and this fabulous family room area that's perfect for kids or guests. The large private backyard is perfect for entertaining family and friends. The location is super convenient to Tremont Elementary School, Tremont Center, Northam Park, the pool, tennis courts, shops, and dining.